Let's take a look at the back of the H20 receiver. This looks very similar to the back panel of a standard DirecTV IRD, but as we look closer, we see a few major differences. The most obvious is the component out connections. They can be spotted by the different colored connections. Red, blue, and green RCA type outputs are used. Another noticeable difference is the HDMI port. HDMI stands for High Definition Multimedia Interface. This is the best connection, but may not be available on the TV set you're connecting. If it is available, this is your first choice. If there's a DVI or digital visual interface input on the TV, an HDMI to DVI jumper can be used for the best reception. If HDMI or DVI inputs aren't available on the TV set, your final choice for quality HD TV reception would be the component out I mentioned earlier. Be aware that if a component video cable is not connected properly, the color on the TV screen will be adversely affected. If the TV set or the surround sound system has an HDMI input, the HDMI output provides both audio and video. Both component and DVI cables only provide picture information, so audio connections are required. If digital optical inputs aren't available on the customer set, the standard red and white audio cables must be connected. Since all IRD outputs are active, you can also run digital optical or composite audio to any other systems like surround sound or in-home audio systems.